So the Venture Mentoring Network is a group of venture mentors that mentor early stage startups affiliated with Northeastern on their business needs. We'll pair them up with industry mentors in hopes that our industry mentors and their connections, their lessons learned, will help our entrepreneurs succeed as well.
I stay involved because I would not be where I am in my career without IDEA. My best mentors, my best friends have come through the experiences we've had in this program. And it's something to give back to all the people that gave back to me.
With a degree in math and economics, I knew close to nothing about nutrition, a food startup, or even starting and running a business for that matter. But after joining IDEA, I was armed with so many great, powerful resources that helped me get off the ground. And I attribute a lot of my success now to the foundation that I was given from Northeastern.
The biggest reason that makes this organization and what we do here at Northeastern with entrepreneurship so successful is that we care. People are putting in 10 to 20 hours of their time on top of classes, on top of their full-time job. For the people who are putting 70, 60 hours looking to start a business and make an impact in the world. And it's because we care about the impact they're trying to create, the jobs they're doing, the work we're doing together, the learnings you get, and it's just a very awesome community that people care about. And it's really cool to have that and cultivate that here.